doing today? My name's Eric, and this is my wife, Monica.
Hi.
And as always, I want to thank you for coming by and checking out my video. On this episode of Smo'King, we're going to be doing a review and taste test of Lou Malnati's frozen deep dish pizza. So I'll leave a link below. I took my family to visit my dad in Chicago, and we actually went to a Lou Malnati's pizzeria.
And that's not our first go around. No. That's my favorite place to go.
She loves that place. First time I took her to Chicago, we went there, and they have awesome deep dish pizza. Yep. Anyway, my dad in Chicago knows how much I love Lou Malnati's pizza, and he sent me for my birthday a couple of these deep dish pizzas, 9-inch, that you make at home. And I was looking on their website here, and they said that all these pizzas are handmade from scratch. They're baked and quickly frozen to preserve their hot out of the oven freshness. So, you know, obviously I don't think they're going to be as good as getting a fresh one out of the restaurant, but hey, the fact that you can order these wherever you live, if you're a fan of Chicago deep dish pizza, and I hope these live up to the expectations that I have.
Yeah. And
we were thinking about, too, on the cheese pizza, maybe buying some mushrooms and peppers and stuff just to kind of spice it up a little bit. But, you know, we decided we're going to try it just the way it comes because we want to give you that.
We want it pure.
We want it
the way it
pure
comes.
for our review.
But, I mean, that's definitely, if we weren't doing a review on it, this is exactly what we... Okay, so they sell one toppings only. They sell regular cheese, they sell regular pepperoni, and then they sell regular sausage.
And I think they have a vegetarian
one they might
too.
have a vegetarian. Okay,
yeah.
So my whole thing is, if we weren't doing a review, we would have definitely put mushrooms, onions, bell peppers on probably both of them. But the more we started talking about it, we were thinking, you know what, you guys probably, if you're curious, you won't know if our opinions, one way or the other, are going to be affected by our toppings.
Yeah, so we're going to try them just the way they come, the way you would get them as well if you ordered them.
So I'm excited.
I'm excited too.
Thank you, Opa, for
thank you, Dad, for the pizzas. I'm sure we're going to enjoy them. And just to let you know too, this just popped up recently. Lou Malnati's got together with
with Portillo's
in Chicago, which is famous for hot dogs and Italian beef, and they just came out with an Italian beef deep dish pizza. You can either get with hot peppers, sweet peppers, or both. Ooh. And I've been this close to ordering some.
So tell us what you think. Like, if you think we should do a review on that, we'll make the purchase.
Hey, if these are good, then I think I'll order a couple of those Italian beef pizzas.
Because I'm curious what people think, if they would like to see that, if they're interested in that.
Yeah, leave a comment below, guys. Anyway, stick around. We're going to take these out, we're going to bake them, and then we're going to sample them. Let's get cooking. Alright guys, here they are. Let's open them up. Now they have some specific directions. You're supposed to remove the pizza completely from the pan, wipe it down.
So there's like no condensation.
So yeah, it's nice and dry.
Ooh, this is gonna be fun.
And then we're going to oil the bottom of the pan and return the pizza. Let's see, that's the pepperoni one.
This is pepperoni. Oh my goodness, that looks good.
There you go, guys. And this is how they do it in Chicago. If you've never had a deep dish pizza, that you might say, where's the cheese? The cheese is actually on the bottom. That's the first layer. I can see pepperoni pieces right here. And then the sauce goes on top, so it's kind of almost like an upside down pizza in a weird kind of way.
Yeah.
All right, let's get
And I like their sausage because they always do a whole layer of sausage instead of little pieces of it. So every bite gets a bite of sausage. Yeah. That's always fun. I mean, that's what it was like in person, but I don't know if the frozen, I'm assuming it's the same, right?
I would assume it would be the same.
Why don't you do that and
all right, I'll do that. Okay. So now we have to remove them. You know what? Hang on. Let's go get a rack so we can put those pizzas on. We'll be back in a second, guys. Oh yeah, set on that.
I'll just set it on the paper that, that came off the top. That'll make it easy. So look, just like this, move it out.
Well, they can't see that. But
oh, okay. Well, see, I just set it on the paper that it...
Yeah, the lid.
The lid. Because it's not going back in anyways. All right, now I'll just move it out of this camera so we can do this part. So we're just gonna take, I'm taking a paper towel and I'm just gonna wipe it down real quick. There we go. Make sure it's dry. And then...
There's the cheese. We'll move that out of the way here. Try this one. Let's do them both.
Okay. Oh, okay. I see what you're doing.
You want me to try them? I'll try that.
Here, try that one.
All right.
Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and lightly oil the pan. I'm just gonna pour a tiny.
Yeah, just pour a little bit in there.
Tiny bit.
Well, that guy, I saw another guy.
I like to wipe
He filled
it.
up that whole inner circle with oil.
Oh, okay, there.
Like
there.
that,
You
okay.
happy? It said lightly. I didn't want to go crazy.
Well, we want to make. I guess it's probably because so it won't stick. Rub it on the sides too, like that.
Definitely. You want to kind of go up and down on the side because it's got the little creases. There we go. I guess it's not that much actually.
All right, there we go.
All right.
And now carefully place the pizza pie.
Back in the pan.
All right, guys.
We did it.
We're
That's easy.
preheating the oven. We'll be back. We'll throw these in just a second. All right, guys. So the pepperoni pizza cooks for 10 minutes more. So we're gonna put that one in first, and then in 10 minutes we'll throw the cheese in.
Yep.
So, okay, it's all heated up. I'll put this one on the left side.
So we keep it consistent.
Okay, let's
All right.
do that. We'll start
Timer 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Welcome back. This thing's about ready to beep. There we go. In for this one. It's been 10 minutes. Okay, open her up. On the right-hand side.
All
now,
right.
Now they said it's supposed to cook, what, another?
35?
35 minutes. But it said on both pizzas, check the temperature in the middle of the pizza, 165 degrees. So I got an instant read. We'll let it go for 35, and I'll spot check it. It might need to go a little longer just because I'm doing 2 as compared to 1. So that's it, guys. We'll meet back with you guys once it hits temperature to give this a sample.
Yay, I'm excited.
Guys, here we are. I did check the internal temperature. It is above 165. There's the pepperoni. Oh, there's some steam coming off. We're just going to let these kind of cool off a little bit before I slice them. But man, I'm excited. Lou Malnati's deep dish pizza. How are these frozen pizzas? I'm really curious. Look, can you see the steam coming off them? I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there's steam coming off these, nice and hot. I'm just gonna get some Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more. I like that you can see some cheese on there already, but I'm gonna sprinkle a little more on. We'll be back in a second. All right, we got some Parmesan cheese. I'll sprinkle just a little bit more on here. There we go.
We like our parm.
Yeah, we didn't put extra toppings on, but yeah, we'll put a little bit extra cheese. Okay. Let's do this one too. And we'll let, these are still really hot, so we're just gonna hang out, let these rest for a bit. We'll be back in a minute. All right, these have been cooling off here. This is the cheese pizza. Let's start with this one. I've been debating whether I should use a pizza cutter or not. I'm just gonna use this big brisket knife I have here. Ooh. I think I got it, hopefully. There we go. Okay, let's turn it. Let's try to cut these in 4s, I think. They're only 9-inch pizzas. Let me get through the crust on this side here. Oh, let's see, it's a little crusty. There we go. Let's make sure we got 4 separate pieces. All right, I think it works. All right, let's get over here to the pepperoni. Same thing here. You hear that crunch, man. Woo! I gotta really push down on it. There we go. Oh, not quite. Almost there. Okay, here we go. One more time. All right, guys. Let's. I'm gonna get the family out here. We'll give this a sample in just a second. Welcome back. I'm here with my son Kyle, my wife Monica.
Hi.
Let's give this. Let's try the cheese first.
And once again, thanks, Opa,
Thank you,
Grandpa,
for
Dad.
these. Yes.
You are.
Yeah, grab a piece. That's a big piece.
This is amazing. It
plate.
smells
Oh.
delicious. They're busy,
Oh.
but hey, this is amazing.
Okay, grab a cheese piece.
Oh, it smells good. It smells so good. I'm just telling you.
you can already tell the difference with the crust, okay? And this is frozen pizza, so give it a little bit of leeway, okay, in your final analysis. All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you, Opa.
Cheers. Thanks, Opa.
Okay.
And Oma Gigi.
You know what it is? Lou Malnati's? The tomatoes. A lot of cheese on there, too.
I hate to
Oh,
say it.
look.
Oh! Woo!
Look at
You
that.
got the winner.
Well,
Girl.
Yep.
no.
And by the way, it is Wisconsin cheese. I'm sorry to rub it in, but it is. It is Wisconsin cheese.
Wow.
But this is amazing.
So, Kyle, for just a piece of cheese pizza, like, think of any other frozen pizza you get, just cheese, you have to say this is on the top as far as the flavor profile.
It's amazing. No, it's good. Does not disappoint.
But also,
Wow.
I can't think of many other frozen deep dishes.
Okay.
Well, there's a few. There's a few. All right.
Yeah.
Put it down, Kyle.
It's
Onto
good.
the pepperoni.
It's good. Really good.
I'm trying. Here it
Thank
comes.
you.
Oh, this one's a little loose on the bottom. Be careful.
Wait. We gotta cheers each other.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay.
Cheers.
All right.
All right, ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Go.
Oh yeah. Ooh, the spice of the pepperoni.
Oh yeah.
No,
What?
this one's better.
What he said.
I totally taste the spice of the pepperoni. That's not like a normal, like Domino's pizza, Pizza Hut
This is
pepperoni.
amazing.
That's like a whoo pepperoni. Don't you think, Kyle? Now look, this isn't the authentic
Look.
thing of eating it in a restaurant in Chicago, but boy, I have to tell you,
Satisfying cravings.
yeah, it does satisfy your cravings. Would
I
you
gotta
agree?
add something here. Yes, and I do agree. So, story told. When Eric and I got married, and it's been almost 20 years now, my best friend in Illinois, or she lived in another state with us, then she moved to Illinois. But anyways, she sent us, she knew how much we loved Lou Malnati's. And she sent us a frozen pizza or two by mail to California. And
Which,
it
by
was
the way,
not.
You can order this. I'll leave a link below. You can order this and have it shipped anywhere.
You
It
can't.
even says
you
it
can.
anywhere.
You can.
Yeah.
So let me tell you something though. We tried it then, and we didn't have kids then. We were young. We were just fresh married. But I'm telling you, something. I don't know if it's the distance it went from Chicago to California. It did not impress us that much, but it was. We were thankful that she was thoughtful enough to do that.
Yeah, but you have to get used
But
to
it
that.
wasn't. We were like, oh wow, okay, we would never do that again. But this is really good now. I don't know if it's because we're closer or what it is.
No.
I don't know
The
what it
crust
is.
too. It's so buttery.
It's perfect. Although
flaky.
maybe when she sent it to California, we didn't do it the right way. We didn't read the instructions.Maybe we cooked it wrong.
But also,
You
this
know?
one as well, I got to give them a little more credit because we've kept them on the side and we've been waiting because you guys have been on keto.
Oh, that's true too.
So if we were to eat
These
it
have
right
been
when it came,
these have been in deep freeze since
But-
when? My birthday.
Yes, since August. So now we're in November or October, almost November.
So
But
90 days.
yeah.
Of course, anything in the freezer.
So it's been in the freezer for a while, and it's a deep freezer, but still, it's good. It's really really good, and
Take
it's
a
better
bite.
than it's better than it's better than what I remember. I didn't want to eat it on camera, all of it.
Yes, please. Oh,
well, as you can see, Mom has a lot to say about the pizza.
okay, Kyle. Tell them your 2 cents. What do you think?
I think it's good pizza.
Compared to us eating it when you had it at the restaurant, it's obviously not as good, but
No,
is it a good kind of representation of the restaurant pizza, you think, for someone
Not
who's
say a
never...
loose representation,
No.
but it's not quite the same. Not that it's bad though.
No, it is good. Very good.
You can't expect it to be the same as it would be in person. You can't.
Yeah.
But it's so close. It really is. I mean, we could never buy something frozen here. Oh man, I wish you showed them Woodman's. We have a store that has
Believe
like
me,
5 aisles
here
of
in
like.
Wisconsin, there's a lot of frozen pizza options, but
But this blows it all away. I mean, really does.
I agree.
Yeah.
As always, guys, I appreciate you watching my video. Please like the video. The logo here on my shirt. If you
Yes.
click the little icon on the
He's
bottom of
the
the screen,
Smo'King.
you can subscribe to my channel. Please do that.
The dog's here.
That's okay. She's not getting any.
he's always
not this time.
And
She likes
check out
it
my
too.
link above and below to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com. And we'll see you next time. But man, if you
It
get
is-
a chance to try Lou Malnati's and the possibility of a trip to Chicago's out of the question, hey,
Do this. You
I'll
will
leave
be
a link
blown
below
away.
where you can order pizzas. And you know what? What do you think? Should we do the Italian beef? Frozen Lou Malnati's
Yes.
pizza?
Yes. But you tell us what you think. Should we invest? It's kind of pricey. Do you guys want to see
No.
an Italian beef pizza?
I want to see it.
Tell us what you think, right?
If you want to see us shove our faces with pizza, we'll gladly do it.
Exactly. As always, guys, thanks for stopping by. We'll
It
see you
is
next
good.
time.
Thank you, Opa.
Bye.
Thanks
Thank you.
again. Oh, we love you.
Oh, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.